What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do some party animals, and it's Jasmine's team versus my team, and my team's going to win because, well, it's my team. So, hope you're ready. Let's get this going. Maybe. Never.
You got this.
Lollipop
The only reason your
Factory.
team won last time was because I was on it.
Well, I think it was because I carried the whole time. But, you know, it is what it is.
You didn't, is the thing, though.
Also, don't remember the buttons to push for this, so real exciting
I
stuff.
don't either. I know... You know what? I'm not going to help you.
Wow. Wow. Right. It's on.
I
Let's
have
go,
put
Team
real...
Red.
My God!
OONGA BOONGA! OONGA BOONGA! How do I jump? There we go. I got that. Oh! I just threw it. I'm stuck. Stuck. Get your hands off my
How do
big
you grab?
green dude. I'm not telling you. You weren't gonna tell me anything. I'm dragging this mother. Let's go! Let's go! You can't catch me! Go, 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 go. Pull it! Pull it, monkey!
How do I do this?
Nailed it! We need more! Come here, big guy. Yeah. Okay, come on. Aren't I a big, strong monkey?
Here.
Aren't I a big, strong... Ah! Yeah! Oh, that's my teammate. We're good. Why? What in the world? Why does your teammate have a bow and arrow? Get off of me! Stupid dog. Wait, dude! No! I'm hanging. I'm gonna get crushed. Okay, we're good. Why is it not going down? Go down! What the heck? Come on! There we go. Nice. Oh, we need one more small one. I just punched our teammate. You got a little tail. This is Fluffy Redemption. Add coal to the furnace to speed up your train. Train. Is it a race? Are we fighting? Where do I go? What do I do? Yay! Oh, I almost missed. I almost just jumped off. Come on! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
I had to kill myself for a second.
There we go, got it. What? Get out of here,
Oh!
fluffy monkey. Pew pew, pew pew. Pew pew. Oh! Oh no! I got destroyed by the sign.
I'm so sorry. Oh God. I'm sorry, teammate. I'm a bad person.
Did you throw the monkey?
I did.
How do I throw things? I don't want to headbutt things. How the heck?
Lucky.
Throw it! Oh, I did something. Okay. Ah! It fell out on me.
I do have a little tail.
Yeah, you do. It's kind of funny looking. Yeah!
Hey, get out of here.
Jump, jump, wait up. Boonga, boonga! Oh.
All around me, I'll feel your faces.
How do I headbutt it? Oh, I just threw him. I threw him. I did it. Oh, I fell. Oh, well, that's karma, I guess. Alright, well, since it's not reloading quick enough, here we go. Hiya!
Ow! Ow!
That's my teammate. Whoops.
I want you to burn in the fiery pits of hell.
My train, I can't get to my train. Yeah! Oh, that didn't work. I'm getting run over.
He's literally just bashing my head into the fire.
Yeet. Hey, he's pulling my brakes. What is this? Quit it. I didn't know there was a brake line over here. Get out of here, stupid monkey. My teammate just killed me.
Good. Oh, I just killed myself. Well, you know,
Good.
on a hard week.
Look at me run. I'm like that grumpy kid.
Oh, belly.
Just call me One Punch Man, I guess. Dang.
Should be safely take the balloon back to your base to earn points.
Okay, so it's not me, it's the game.
Well, okay, but it's also a little.
I've fallen.
You know.
I have fallen. Oh, I'm climbing back up. I'm climbing. I don't know how.
I died.
Where am I?
So, you know.
Oh, I see how. Come on, you can do it. Okay, well, climb. Climb! Climb in, climb in. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Come on, monkey, get out of here. Get out of here, shark.
Oh, asshole!
Alright, how do I headbutt? Oh, it's that. Okay. What?
We both got knocked out.
No! Did I get knocked out again? What the heck happened? Ah, snatched! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
What?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 come on. Go! No! I have died.
You.
Now I'm back. Bunga bunga! Oh, well, whoa, oh, jeez, I died. That's awkward. That's real awkward. I got it! I got it! Don't worry, guys, I got it. Woohoo! This monkey's throwing me around right now. What am I doing right now? What is this? I got a lever over here. I guess I can't do anything with it, but... Come on there. Boom, boom. Over here.
My God!
Send it! Oh, jeez, I'm gone! Oh, my goodness! Ah! No, no! Monkey don't like water, monkey don't like water! Monkey don't like water! Get up! I'm taking on this whole team. I don't care who you are. I'm swinging. It's on site if you're on the blue team. Oh, well, no, you drop that bomb right now. Drop the bomb! No, 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 no. The bomb will not go. I do not want it. You keep your gifts away. Get out of here, you stupid shark. Sorry, that was mean. I can't. No! No! Grab the thing, Walrus! What are you, dumb? Come on!
I swear to God!
Yeah. Alright, let's go, boys. Well, I guess I'm gone. Ow. Leave me alone, you ape! No! Man, my punches are nerfed tonight. Oh. Let chaos ensue.
Oh, ow! My God! Fucking animals!
Want the ball? No! Stupid dog! Nope, nope, nope. I'm knocked out. I can't do anything! AIs! Do your job! Alright, alright. I'm going defensive. Nope. No, you stupid monkey! How did I get knocked out? Oh my goodness! I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna throw my hands in the air and scream.
Welcome to my every other game, Justin.
Alright, here we go. Watch it. No, you stupid monkey! Ah! It's mine. Don't touch it. No, I haven't. I don't want my teammate. No. No! Ah, get off of me! No! No!
Bye.
Alright, don't call it a comeback. Why am I grabbing my... No!
Man, it feels really good up here on top.
I blame my teammates. I am at no fault here. Alright, we got a sport going on. I was already being pushed right now. Like, what is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Alright, no, that's fine. I'll just die.
Alright, alright. I'm not even up. Quit punching me. Teammate, leave me alone. What are you doing?
Oh.
I'm knocked out. No, defense! Defense! Yeah! Look at that defensive play. Yeah! Dude, I'm playing defense, offense, all defense. Oh, I got knocked out. I knocked myself out. And now I'm just getting pushed around right now. Holy crap. Score! Yeah!
Damn it!
I took you out in the process.
What are you doing? Are we just punching it or headbutting it or what's our game here?
I've just been punching it. Ow! My teammate just knocked me out.
Ow! I'm in the goal.
This is your fault. This is your fault that I'm on the ground. Leave me alone! Quit bullying me! I am King Kong! Going for the score. Here we go. Give me that assist. I'm ready. There it is! Yeah! Goal! Look at us! Look at the runs! Oh my goodness, I got sent. No! Defense! That is a defensive play right there. That's a true defensive mind. How do I headbutt again? Alright, headbutt is that. Oh! Well, that was rude. Alright, I'm gonna score a buzzer beater right here. Here's the opportunity! See the opportunity! Yeah! Actually, you know what? Come here. Get over here. Ow! Out of my way! Get off of me. Kabah! Yay! I'm knocked out! Alright, alright. I'm playing defense. Go! Yes! Flower! Look at that. Good job, team. My turn. Alright, alright. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Everybody chill out. Dang, you recovered quick. Smack, 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 smack.
I walked away.
I'm out for blood. Yeah! Ow! Oh no! Get up! Get out of my way.
Boy!
What?
Take it home, my boy.
Ah. Uh-oh. Thanks for the pass, and now I take it. Oh! Juked him! Woo! Ah! 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 Yeet! Yeet! Do something with it! Ow, I got knocked out in the corner. I am knocked out. What is happening right now? Good. Wow, that dog was bullying me. He had me. Look at the top corner here. I am getting freaking tossed right now. And he's just like, headbutt, 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 headbutt. Oh my goodness, teammate. You are fighting me. What are you doing?
Ow.
My ball. My ball. My ball. Well, I had a monkey. My ball now. Yeet! Yeet! Oh, you bullying dog. You annoy me. Look at him bully me. He's still bullying me and I'm down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you jerk. Get off of me. Why don't you play the game? Quit. Let it go. I feel like a kid getting dragged out of this candy store because mom is upset with me.
I don't even care that you guys got the point.
Come on.
That's
Nope.
my body you're abusing.
Yeah, come on. Get over here. Don't even... Woo! Look at ball. I got it! 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 The dog is coming at me! Ah! Give me my ball back! It's my ball! Bullying dog. Oh, I got knocked out again! Go, Walrus, go! Yes, Walrus! Stupid dog. Bully me like that. This beast soccer!
Yeah.
I am the best goalie in the league. Oh, I missed. That's so awkward. But I got it! It's a breakaway! It's a breakaway! Moose!
Coming for you.
Moose! What are you doing? Good defense. Sorry, I'm gonna chill for a second. Get my stamina back. Take the ball now. Go get it, go get it. Oh, shoot, monkey. Come on, Oonga Boonga your way out of here. Oonga Boonga. Oh dear, oh dear. No! Moose?
Thank
Oh
you.
my goodness. I scored that.
You did. That was all you.
Oh, look at that. Look at that shot. Recover. Go, baby, go! Yes, sir! Look at that. That was a beautiful recover.
Cheap shot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Walrus just knocked you out. Getting stopped on.
I'm a bad
Woo! Golazo! Oh,
Hey,
what
what
a
are you
pass. What a pass. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's going to come to me. And I'm going to miss. Nice.
Go get him! Stick him, boy!
Sick 'em, boy. Oh, I tripped.
Go, 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 go! Yeah, baby!
Walrus, you were back. How did you not stop that, Walrus? Shot. Oh, man, off the post. There's nobody there because I am not playing offense. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, beautiful! Hey! This was actually pretty nice, I gotta be honest. The rest were okay, this one was pretty nice. If you made it this far, don't forget to comment the words Oonga Boonga, because like, Oonga Boonga. And like and subscribe, because we just hit over triple digits. We hit 100. Fantastic. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.
Peace.